4.
Here we are on today's walk. We're in Woburn, Monkey Puzzle Tree. Not too sure exactly where we're going yet, but it's going to be somewhere in the deer park. I'll report back in a minute. Bye for now. Okay, so we're just going to go through the church grounds. Why not? We're here. And that's quite interesting. Look at the drainage from the roof. Like a gargoyle thing, and then a pipe through its mouth. That's quite good. Never noticed that last time I came.
Talk to me. Tell me what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, 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 love. Harlem River, talk to me. Where we headed now? Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love. All because of you. In my pearl and my diamond shoes.
Okay, so I think this is some kind of horse stables. Just here now. I don't know what it is. Not sure what that house is over there. We might have a look at that, I'm not sure. I think there's a bit of a moat around it. It could be difficult to get across.
In Harlem River, swallow me. Put your hands around my neck. In Harlem River, I can't breathe.
There's the alley over there.
They've got the lights down now. In Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds. In Harlem River, all because oh, I'm nowhere now. Harlem River, tell me, is it true that in my pearl and my diamond shoes I've climbed a cloud, now I've stolen.
Cornering the market on spectacular trees around here. Look at this bad boy being propped up by that branch. I need to follow these little markers here. You see that one there with the other top on it? That's where we're going. It looks like it's going off over there somewhere. Well, wherever it takes me, I'm happy doing it. On a day like today, I was going to go cycling, but it's just too cold and too windy, so I decided to go for a walk instead, which I'm quite enjoying. Bring you back in a minute. Okay, the walk's going really well. It's a bit slutchy on the foot, but you know what? They'll wash. It's a bit slutchy one. A mistake is turning out to be a godsend, really. Okay, so that's where we've not been. We've come all along here, up, down here. So there's the house over there. I think we're going to go over that bridge there, I hope. So I'll bring you back in a minute when I get a little bit closer to the house. Bye for now. Okay, here we are, near the end of the walk now.
That easy rider. Flow like that Harlem River, and ride off that easy rider. Flow like that Harlem River.